Join me as I dive into the top essential tips every first-time home buyer needs to know, and let's see if you can find your dream home without making the common mistakes. Purchasing a home for the first time can be a daunting experience, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of it all, but it's crucial to remember that preparation is key to a successful home buying experience. In this video, we'll cover the essential tips every first-time home buyer needs to know to avoid common mistakes and find their dream home. Navigating the market as a first-time home buyer can be overwhelming. With so many options available, it's hard to know where to even start. Many buyers struggle to understand the financing options available to them, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of finding the perfect home without considering the costs involved. Additionally, first-time home buyers often underestimate the importance of having a good credit score and how it can affect their ability to secure a mortgage. Furthermore, finding a reliable real estate agent who has your best interests in mind can make all the difference in the home buying process. As a first-time home buyer, it's essential to understand that there are many hidden costs involved in purchasing a home. From closing costs to inspections, there are many expenses that can add up quickly. Many buyers also fail to consider the long-term costs of home ownership, such as maintenance and property taxes. One of the most significant mistakes first-time home buyers make is not budgeting for additional costs. It's essential to factor in costs such as homeowners insurance, property taxes, and maintenance when determining how much you can afford. By budgeting for these costs, you'll be better prepared for the expenses that come with homeownership. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is another crucial step in the home buying process. Many buyers make the mistake of falling in love with the home only to find out they can't afford it. By getting pre-approved, you'll know exactly how much you can afford, and you'll be in a stronger negotiating position when it comes time to make an offer. Working with a knowledgeable real estate agent is also vital in the home buying process. They can provide valuable insights and guide you through the process, ensuring you make informed decisions. One of the most critical tips I can share with you is the importance of a home inspection. Many buyers skip this step to save money or speed up the process, but it could end up costing them thousands of dollars in the long run. A home inspection can reveal hidden problems with the property, giving you the opportunity to negotiate or walk away from the deal. It's a small price to pay for the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're getting a good deal. A home inspection can save you from costly repairs down the line, and it's an essential step in the home buying process. By having a thorough inspection, you'll be aware of any potential issues with the property, and you can factor those costs into your decision. Additionally, a home inspection can give you leverage to negotiate the price of the home or request repairs from the seller. It's a crucial step that can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. In today's market, it's more important than ever to have a thorough understanding of the home buying process. By budgeting for additional costs, getting pre-approved for a mortgage, and working with a knowledgeable real estate agent, you'll be well on your way to finding your dream home. And by having a home inspection, you'll be protected from costly surprises down the line. In summary, the essential tips for first-time home buyers are clear. Be prepared, budget for additional costs, get pre-approved, work with a knowledgeable real estate agent, and don't skip the home inspection. By following these tips, You'll be well on your way to finding your dream home and avoiding the common mistakes that can cost you thousands of dollars later. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these essential tips helpful. If you have any questions or you want to share your own home buying experience, please leave a comment below. And if you're looking for more home buying advice, be sure to check out my other videos.